You watch. King ina mo, di ka mag-watch. Kasalanan ko pa yun. Tayo yung music. Tagal. Hmm. Oh, di ba ang sarap tangay na yun? Junior! It's okay na. I'm done. I'm done doing your challenge, your mother. Your mother is... I like your mother. Thank you so much, Junior. I already done with college. I did it 2 times. Ina. Ina mo. 2 times yun. Sarap yun. Dami, di ka pa ba nasarapan? You said that the bounce is the best one. Yes, guys, you sent me this one. The bounce check. This one, guys. This one. The second to the last. This is mine. If you drop this one, guys, the bounce check. This one, I will do the bounce check, okay? Ay, sarap na. Sabi niyo na, gago. They can you send me one more? They said in Tagalog, guys. They said in Tagalog, they can you give sugar the bounce check so we can enjoy it. Sige na, ano mas glib na naman ako dito kaka-English. Putang ina niyo. Ina mo. 1-3 to kota na ba? Oo, 1-3 na. Wait lang, gago. Ako pala, guys. 1-3 na lang, guys. 1-3. Hindi 1-3. Tama ba? Hindi, gagi. Ano pa? Fantasy, guys. Wait lang. Ikaw, calculate ko na. Gago, di ako nag-calculate. Then, 19, 8, minus